I'm Zoe and I'm from London. A good hair day for me is being within a team that I'm inspired by. A lot of it for me has been about being that person that gives someone support or education, or that feeling that I go away and I've actually made someone else's day a good hair day as well. I think that's important to me now. I went into hairdressing by mistake. I was actually going to go to university to study English. Just before I went, I needed some pocket money. Luckily, my friend at school, her mother owned a salon. Within a week, I just loved the atmosphere, I loved the people. And so by the end of the summer holiday, I actually decided that I wasn't going to go to university. I wanted to do hair. What do I love about my job? I love the fact that every single day is different. I love the fact that it could be in Australia, but it could be in East London and be equally as fun. I mainly love all the new people that I get to meet, but also the amazing relationships that I've had that spanned kind of 20 years within my job. I love that I love my job.